6 cards, 1 container, and just a few lines of CSS. Watch how CSS Grid instantly turns this simple HTML into a fully responsive layout. In this HTML file, we start with the standard HTML5 document structure. Inside the head section, we add meta tags for character encoding and responsive design. Then in the body, we create a container called grid, and inside it we place 6 card elements. Finally, we connect this HTML file to our style sheet using the link tag, linking the HTML to style.css. First, we style the body by adding a light gray background, setting the font family to Arial, and adding padding around the page. Next, we target the grid container and set the display to grid. Then we define the columns using repeat, autofit, and minmax, which automatically creates responsive columns with a minimum width of 250 pixels. We also add a gap of 20 pixels to create space between the cards and center the layout using a maximum width. Finally, each card is styled with a white background, padding, rounded corners, a soft shadow, and a hover effect that slightly scales the card when the user moves the mouse over it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more quick web development tips like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.